Now here's how we can share screen on the Microsoft Teams using the iPad. Let me quickly show you how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe and become part of the community so you never miss anything important. Okay, so you might be inside of the Google Teams meeting and everything might be running smoothly. And in order to share your screen, you have to click the button at the bottom of the screen from the toolbar, which is looking like a square with the arrow pointing up. And that is the button that we are interested in today because we just want to click on it and this is going to ask us how we want to share things, right? Because, you have the ability to share a photo, share a video, or share screen. So if you click on the screen, it's going to further ask you if you want to include the audio or without the audio. So whichever option you decided to go with, you can see that we get this page where we have to start the broadcast and it sort of like becomes available, or you're sort of like recording the screen but not saving it to the Photos app, but like sharing it in real time to the Microsoft Teams meeting. So you have to confirm it and then you're going to get the countdown and your screen will be shared with everyone else in here. So you can like leave the app or whatever and then still present stuff because everything is being shared to the Teams meeting. But you can always stop it by clicking the button in at the top right, or you can do more things. Like you can obviously just stop the meeting, but that is how you can use it. I really hope that I can help you out with it. I think that would work out well for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.